Brianna's Bananas Cooking Show. Here we go! Well, hello, Brianna's Bananas. It's me, Brianna's cousin Barbara. I'm here visiting for the holidays again. And I just gotta say, if I wasn't visiting Brianna, I don't think anybody else in the family would. So I'm gonna make her something special. Now, I've been watching that Gordon Ramsay, and he thinks he knows something about grilled cheese, and I'd like to disagree. Now, I'm gonna insert some pictures and examples and things, or I'm gonna have Brianna do that because I don't do the editing. Brianna does that. But he had like some crazy crusty bread, like way too crusty. He had way too thick slices of cheese. It was about an inch thick of each cheese slice, okay? He had a fire and put it in the fireplace and thought that was gonna grill up and melt your cheese and be all perfect. But no, nothing was melted. He bit into it. None of the cheese was pulling, okay? This was not a grilled cheese at all. So, I want to do better than Gordon Ramsay, okay? So, I'm going to show him and you guys what a grilled cheese is all about, okay? And yes, I'm making grilled cheeses for the holidays, okay? Don't get on me. Our family loves cheese. Now, starting with the bread. Bread is subjective and kind of controversial sometimes. But I got country white sourdough, a loaf, okay? It's not sliced. Kitty, get out of here. You can get like seasoned bread if you feel like it. I was gonna look for like Italian seasoned bread or something fun like that, but they didn't have nothing fun. So we got this loaf, okay? We're gonna slice it up real nice on the diagonal. And let me show you my cheeses. Now, you want nice melty cheeses, okay? They gotta melt and they have to pull, okay? So, American cheese, okay? I know it's not real cheese, but it is the classic meltiest grilled cheese, okay? You gotta have American cheese. Second cheese, sliced Monterey Jack cheese, okay? Now this is also melty, it's good melter, and it's got a little bit of spice, okay? It's got a little bit of flavor and zing. So that's my flavor for my grilled cheese, okay? Now, for a little bit of extra like cheese pull, okay? I'm gonna put some shredded mozzarella, okay? Cheese is also subjective. You can get whatever cheeses you feel like it, okay? But these are the cheeses that I would like to put in my grilled cheese today. I'm gonna grill it up real nice in this pan right here. Okay, so let me get this bread sliced up. When you're slicing your bread, if you're slicing your own bread, you want to do it like an inch thick, okay? Unless you got real crusty bread like Mr. Gordon Ramsay did, then you probably don't want to do it that thick. But this is like soft in the middle, and it's gonna get crusty on the outside. But with all the cheese, it's gonna help with the crustiness. Make sure your bread slices match up. You can't have them like Can't have them like this with all the cheese hanging out or nothing. You know, match them up how it was. If you want, you can get rid of this smaller slice. You can get another big slice. Okay, that's nice grilled cheese. Size. All right, now don't go crazy with your heat. Don't put it on high. You want it on like medium. And just have a little patience, okay? You don't want to burn it, because that would be tragedy. Now you can either, if you want, you can either butter your bread right now, or you can do what I'm gonna do. Just put it right in your pan. You know what? Go with the extra butter. Make sure you get your cheeses prepped. Prep your cheeses. Okay? Wait for all your butter to melt. Wait for it to stop bubbling. Remember how your bread was. You're gonna open it up, set it right in the pan. So I'm gonna start with the mozzarella on both sides, okay? Then we're gonna go with the Monterey Jack. Give that a second to melt. And then we'll do the American. Put the cheeses on opposite sides of the bread. I don't know if you can see, but so when you smush them back together, you get unity of all the cheese. If you want, you can even put a lid on it. Make sure all the cheese is melted. Oh my goodness. I gotta turn this off. You start smelling toasty bread, you gotta check on it, okay? Don't let the lid sit on too long. All right. Get a little carried away, you know, just do a little scrape. Everything looks fine. See, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Save the cheese. Save the cheese. Okay. I'm gonna cut this in half, you guys. It's gonna be crazy. Hear that crust on that bread? Oh, it's gonna be good. And then we're gonna make a dipping sauce, you guys. We got some cheese pull. Now you just wait until I bite into it, okay? Don't be judging me. All right, for dipping sauce. Don't break nothing. I'm gonna take some ketchup and a little bit of barbecue sauce, okay? We're gonna mix them together. Now, sometimes I put a tomato on my grilled cheese. Sometimes I'll put a piece of ham on my grilled cheese. And I thought about doing something like that, but then it just turns into a ham sandwich or like a tomato sandwich, you know? This is a grilled cheese. So we're gonna have a nice dipping sauce. Sometimes I just dip it in just ketchup, but we're spicing it up today for the holidays. Okay, now look at this again. Now we're talking about a cheese bowl. Okay. I'm gonna take the cheesiest looking bite. Dip it in my special sauce. Too much sauce. Okay. Cheers, you guys. Happy holidays. Okay. The sandwich is so hearty. Look at that. From the thick bread and all that cheese. And it brings a little pizzazz and zest. Like I said with the other cheese. Got extra pizzazz and zest. Zest. However you say it. With the ketchup and barbecue sauce. I'd say that's a winner right there. Better than Gordon Ramsay already because my cheese is melted. Okay? We all know Gordon Ramsay is the king of the kitchen or whatever, but this is a darn good grilled cheese. Y'all should really try it yourself. Try out some different cheeses. Try out, explore the world of cheese for the holidays. It's a good excuse. Make a whole cheese platter, a charcuterie board, Bring that to your brother's house, whatever you do. Have yourself some cheese. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope me making a grilled cheese was entertaining. And hope you try to make one yourself. It's pretty cheap, pretty filling, pretty satisfying. And once again, happy holidays. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.